Welcome to Black History X. Today, we're exploring the dynamic and influential world of early sound system culture in Jamaica, a movement that revolutionized music and community life from the 1940s onwards. Sound systems became the heartbeat of Jamaican society, giving rise to iconic genres like ska, rocksteady, and reggae, and launching the careers of legendary artists who would shape global music. Join us as we uncover 5 interesting facts about how these powerful sound systems fostered creativity, sparked friendly competitions through sound clashes, and played a crucial role in promoting cultural identity and social change. From the pioneering efforts of producers like Coxsone Dodd and Duke Reid to the enduring legacy that continues to influence music worldwide, the early sound system culture is a testament to innovation and community spirit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Black History X for more enlightening stories from Black history. Let's dive in and celebrate the vibrant legacy of Jamaica's sound systems. Fact 1. The sound system culture began in Kingston, Jamaica, during the 1940s. Influenced by American radio and jazz music, local entrepreneurs and DJs started organizing mobile sound systems to provide entertainment at parties, dances, and community gatherings. Early pioneers like Clement Coxsone Dodd and Errol Thompson established some of the first sound systems, setting the foundation for what would become a vibrant and influential cultural movement. Fact 2. An early sound system typically consisted of a DJ, disc jockey, who played records, a selector who chose and cued the music, and an engineer who managed the technical aspects of the setup. These sound systems featured powerful speakers, amplifiers, and turntables, allowing for high-volume music playback that could reach large outdoor audiences. Fact 3. Sound clashes became a staple of the sound system culture, where different sound systems would compete against each other in friendly but fierce musical battles. These events tested the skill, creativity, and technical prowess of each sound system. Sound clashes fostered a sense of community, camaraderie, and healthy competition, driving sound systems to innovate and continually improve their setups and playlists. Fact 4. Influential sound system operators. Clement Coxsone Dodd, founder of Studio One. Coxsone Dodd was a pivotal figure who used his sound system to discover and promote legendary artists like Bob Marley and the Wailers. Duke Reid, owner of the renowned Treasure Isle sound system. Duke Reid was known for his exceptional selection of music and his ability to create electrifying party atmospheres. King Tubby. Although more famous for his contributions to dub music, King Tubby also operated influential sound systems that pushed the boundaries of sound engineering and music production. Fact 5. In the 1960s and 1970s, many Jamaican immigrants brought the sound system culture to the United Kingdom, particularly in cities like London and Birmingham. This migration played a significant role in the development of the UK's ska, two-tone, and later reggae and dancehall scenes. The innovations and practices established by early Jamaican sound systems laid the groundwork for modern music genres and production techniques worldwide, influencing everything from hip-hop and electronic dance music to contemporary reggae and beyond.